Working with windows. What is a window? What are its parts? A window is what you first see when you open a program. Parts of a window. Most windows have the following basic parts. Menu bar. It contains items that you can click to make choices in a program. Title bar. It displays the name of the document and program, or the folder name if you're working in a folder. Minimize button for hiding the window. Maximize button to enlarge the window to fill the whole screen. Close buttons to close the window. Scroll bar. It lets you scroll the contents of the window to see information that is currently out of view. Borders and corners. You can drag these with your mouse pointer to change the size of the window.